In this video, we're going to do a couple more assignments. We're going to start with a program that calculates the slope and intercept of a line given 2 points. First, we'll paste the problem description, and then following the other examples we've done, it will ask for input. It's asking for an x-coordinate of the first point, but it's not following the example given in our problem description. So we're going to need to restate our prompt. And so let's try using the prompt above. And that improves it a bit. It copies line 25 and 26, but we're missing lines 23 and 24. So we're going to try to do some more prompt engineering to get a better prompt. Ask for the first point with a prompt based on above. Now we're getting line 23, 24. It looks like it's figured out how we want things to go. Save the first point as a tuple. Well, I didn't exactly ask for that, but it decided that would be a good thing to do. And it prints it following line 27. That looks promising. And then it dives right into asking for the second point, following again the proper format. So that's very nice. Saves it as a tuple and then prints it. Now we have a blank line, so we hit enter again and it says it's going to calculate the slope. So we'll do tab and enter to accept the prompts and the code. We have a slope and an intercept, and then we're going to print the equation. And again, this is following the format that we asked for in the problem description. It is calculating it with the right number of decimal points, but now you see it continues to try to prompt. First, it prompted with a new problem description, and then it came up with a prompt of compare this snippet from 03 line.py. Well, that's not really what we need to do, so we delete that, but then it again tries to put in a problem overview. But we'll just go ahead and run, put in our x-coordinate for the first point, y-coordinate for the first point, and it tells us what the point is, the second point, and it gives us the equation. So that looks very nice. Next, we're going to do a problem where we calculate pets' names, ages. So we're going to paste the problem description in and asking for names, years, and calculating. So ask for pets information, print first pet's information. So it's actually getting our prompts looking very good. This is following the format of the sample code that we gave. So that looks very nice. We needed a blank line for it to continue. The second pet's information with the name, the type. Notice types are entered in uppercase, but we'll see later on that we want it printed in lowercase. And after the third pet, we're going to ask for the year, and we get the prompt with the proper format, and then we're going to calculate the ages. So age, print the age of the first pet, and print pet name. Well, that's not quite right. We want introduction to the summary as shown above. So now in this year, the age will be. Now we can print the age of each pet. And it goes through this litany of other things that we've asked for in other programs we've written. Notice it's doing pet name, pet type, and year. It is changing the pet type to lowercase, but it's using the same variable name each time. And if you go back and look, you'll see the variable names are the same. Then it wants to do other prompts like compare this snippet from 03 Pizza, which isn't even a program I have. So cups of water, flour, oil, sugar, that's not at all what we're trying to do. So it just picked this out from some other place, but not at all useful. So we'll escape from that and go back and look at variable name problems. So it's using the same name every time. So let's ask the chat to separate or use separate variable names for each pet so you can print the results at the bottom. And so it says, I'd need to do these rewrites. And so, yes, that looks good. So we'll accept that, but it did leave in all the old code below. So we'll go ahead and remove all the old code below and then try running it, following the examples in the sample, and put in the pet's names, types, birth year,